When I got new tyres recently, I noticed this. The sprocket's got movement in the hub. It's not too bad, but when I take the hub out, I find that some of the Cush rubbers have broken apart, and this is always a good telltale sign that they're really on the way out. Some of them are still almost okay, but the reason why they break is that the movement starts to move the rubbers around and they break apart. No one likes a sloppy fit, and it can lead to jerky throttle response as well. So I ordered some new ones, and today it's time to put them in. Whenever you're about to remove the rear wheel, it's always a good idea to just check the wheel bearings. Just grab the wheel top and bottom and move it, and if there's movement, you need to replace them. My bike's done 85,000 kilometres and they're still good. My bike's a DCT Adventure Sport, and I found that it's easier to take the handbrake off before I take the wheel out, because it's a bit of a faff trying to get the wheel back in, trying to put the disc back into the back brake as well as the handbrake. There's no need to touch the chain adjusters when removing the wheel or when fitting it again. Having slid out the axle and removed the chain from the sprocket, the wheel can come out. Always a good idea to have a bit of a clean up before you put in new stuff. The hub will be a lot tighter to put in now that the new rubbers are on. But a bit of a wiggle and a bit of pressure downwards, and it finally seated nice and firm. Now it's just a case of reversing the wheel removal procedure. Easy. Always a good idea to put a bit more grease on the axle while it's out. Because the wheel has to be lifted up to get the axle in, the easiest way I find is just get a leg each side of the wheel and just lift it up that way. Once everything's in place, just a bit of a pat on the wheel to bring it forward onto the chain adjusters before I tighten it up. And then click. Alrighty then, everything back together, wheel spins freely, job's a good one. An easy little job, but well worth doing. Oh, and remember to pump the back brake before you ride again.